Okay. Are you the puppet master?
Oh.
Wait, what's this?
Oh, there's like bugs all over it. What are
It
they?
fits.
Wait.
It's
literally the ingredient list.
It's the ingredients for the puppeteer incantation.
Wait. Hey guys.
So, as you guys know, based on the other videos in our series, we are currently trapped
against our will.
in a haunted mansion.
Yeah.
So we thought, why not actually see what exactly is haunted about this mansion?
Yeah.
So we downloaded a couple of spooky apps
We got our
and
flashlight ready.
We're gonna go ghost
flashlights,
hunting.
and yeah, we're basically just gonna go ghost hunting. So, which app is first?
Okay, so let's just go classic ghost detector.
Okay.
So
Calibrating sensors.
Oh, whoa.
I don't like this.
this is EMF, EVP, ESP. They're all okay.
Okay, so wait, should we walk around and then?
Okay.
Start.
Ooh, stories.
Oh.
There's stories on the app. Okay, let's just start.
Upgrade recommended.
No. Okay, wait. So this one.
Survey. Okay, so let's just keep walking.
Okay.
It's stuck.
Guys, I'm scared. Like actually, wait, it froze. Hold on.
Scan. Tab
Okay.
upgrade recommended. Ghost radar
Okay.
activated.
Do you guys see this? Okay.
I'm gonna try to get closer to actually, because it's like hard to like see.
Okay.
Okay.
You can tilt it towards your wall. Okay, so let's just walk around. Let's see, guys. I feel like I'm gonna scare myself so bad.
Yeah, we haven't
doing
really
this.
explored this like outside much in the videos. This is an insane property. There is so much space here that belongs to them.
Okay, so far there's nothing.
Wait,
Oh,
did
wait.
you see something?
No, not yet.
I'm
I
trying to
also
find
have
it.
an app on my phone called EMF meter.
Yeah, I got one too.
So basically, this just tells us if there's like
Any frequency or like
a energy spike.
Wait, should we go towards the casita
Oh.
since we know that that's where the puppet master,
Yeah,
or at least the
okay.
puppet is?
Plus,
Oh,
we're
that's
not
a good
picking
idea.
up on anything over here, so let's walk towards the casino.
Whoa! It's spiking up.
Wait, is it?
Yep.
Wait, so it's like wait.
Ghost signal acquired.
Wait,
Wait, so Cole's was acting up and mine was acting up.
Okay, what are the odds of them both acting
what
up?
was that? Did you hear that?
yeah, I literally heard something behind me.
I heard something bang on the window.
Yo, this is scary, and I can't hear out of one ear. So
Wait,
it's like
was there
extra
something
scary.
in the? Wait,
Wait, what are the
holy
odds of
smokes,
them
wait,
both
there's
starting?
literally something in the camera.
Like clearly it's
Wait, there's something in the camera.
in the camera.
Like, come look at it.
Look at it.
Like where the pillar is,
Oh,
and that's literally where Cole's picked up frequency
Right, like
too.
they both started at the same time. That obviously means that like it's true. Like,
oh my god, that Cole scared
my
me so
gosh.
much. I thought that
Cole, you're
was.
literally right on top of it.
Oh my god,
Lost.
Wait, you messed it up. As soon as Cole walked through it, it went away.
guys, this is
Yeah.
scary. I want to go back inside. I'm so
No.
scared.
Okay, let's go over to the casita and see what we can find over there.
I'm so scared right now.
Okay. There's also this other app, the ghost detector app. It's basically the same thing, but that meter will go all the way over to max if it senses anything.
Like, I'm not kidding. I'm tripped out. Like, I do not fake these ghost videos or like ghost hunting videos or anything. Like, this is not fake. I'm genuinely terrified right now. I hate the dark. It scares me so much. This is so out of my element. I'm so scared. Because also, it's like, you can't do anything against ghosts. Like, what are you going to do? Be like, go away,
Well,
ghost.
we know that the house is haunted.
Well, obviously, but like, it's scary.
But like, I guess we didn't really know what it was haunted by.
Should I get like a screen recording on my iPhone?
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Never ending strong.
Okay, but what if he has that whole one? Is?
Oh wait, wait,
Signal acquired.
is there something?
Behind you.
Wait, behind you?
Wait, no, it's just to the left.
To the left?
Where is it? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Where is it?
Wait, no, go back to the right.
Wait, look up. Look up. Down.
Where is it?
Look down, maybe.
Guys, I
It's
don't.
so weird.
Oh, I think it's that way. You have to walk that way.
I think it's behind the pillar.
Guys, I'm so scared. I hate this.
I don't know. Maybe we should keep walking. I don't see anything.
Wait, is yours going off?
No, mine's not doing anything.
Okay, well it's probably too far away, so let's keep moving.
Signal lost.
Oh.
This is scary.
Maybe we're passing through going to the guest house.
I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I want to go home. I want to go home. I miss Arlo. I miss my mom. I miss my dad. Yes, I have parents. Okay, there's the casino, you guys.
Okay, be careful because earlier when we were out here, I saw a snake on the steps. So just be careful as you're walking.
snake?
Yeah.
I feel like I keep hearing things. You hear that?
Yeah.
Guys, it's so scary. Okay, go walk.
Are you guys actually scared?
Yeah.
Oh, the app, the ghost detector wasn't on.
Oh.
Oh, you saw it. It's moving. It is moving.
Wait, go closer.
Okay,
and
go
see if it
closer to the
moves.
guest house.
You go.
Oh!
What? Okay, wait, so when you
Did you hear that?
point it to the house, it gets
Whose
more...
phone's ringing?
It's fine.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, look at my app. Look at the app. Okay.
Ghost signal acquired.
Wait, it said entry detected. Type Spectre.
Ask
a
question.
Oh my gosh, wait, should we ask if it's the puppet master?
Wait. Are you... Should I just say with the puppet master, or are you... I'll just say the puppet master, okay?
Okay.
Puppet master. Okay. Are you the puppet master?
Transmitting.
It's right there. It's literally, it's the ghost
my
is right there.
Receiving response.
Wait, this is terrible.
Wait, what if we were literally talking to the ghost of the puppet master?
Look at my app right now.
Translating.
Is it going off in that direction?
She said no.
No.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Should we say, are you friendly?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you friendly? Okay, so obviously this is just like spirits from around the house because we know the house is haunted, which is probably why the puppet master
Receiving response.
which is why the puppet master probably came here because he wanted like the hauntedness of it. Okay.
Processing.
They said,
Wait, what did you ask?
I said, are you friendly?
Careful, Tyler, don't like step back.
Oh, it's a long response.
Translating.
It says, I am evil. Look at it. Look at it.
Okay, wait, ask. What was that?
You hear that?
Wait, what is that noise?
What?
It just sounded like someone opened a door.
Wait, are you serious? I asked it, are you working with the puppet master?
Translating.
No.
Okay, so it's just an evil spirit on its own. What was that? What was that? Something moved, something moved, something moved.
You guys, stop running.
Wait, what was that? What was
It's
that?
probably just like an animal.
Wait, you yanked my arm out of my socket. Oh, stop. Was that you? It's not funny.
It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't me.
Okay, I'll say, did you make that noise? Did you make that noise? Oh my god, guys, I'm literally gonna throw up.
is pounding.
Okay, it's still over there.
Wait, is it still over there?
Yeah, you can see it's like over there.
Receiving response.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm literally shaking. That scared me so bad.
Processing.
Okay. Wait, it says yes.
Okay, okay.
It says yes. It made
So
that
that was
noise.
literally it?
Okay. I feel like we should abort this ghost so it doesn't get mad that we're like holding on to it.
Wait,
too
can you
long.
abort it?
Yeah.
Wait, is it gone?
Yeah, okay, so that ghost is gone. So we let him go because we were just afraid that if we were holding on to it too long. He said it was evil, so we don't want to like anger it.
We don't need the puppet master and a random spirit coming for us.
Okay, let's go back here.
Wait, that was creepy.
That was really scary.
Wait,
What?
no, just saying this is where the ghost was.
Right.
So let's just slowly
Should I take my
pass
meter?
through. No, just pass through because
yeah,
we know
let's-
there's a ghost here.
Careful with the snake.
I feel like we should just follow my app and see like where it brings us to the showing signal.
Wait, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, it stopped.
Okay, did you see anything over there?
No, I'm like looking to see if I can see anything.
Wait, the app says to go over there.
Over there?
Like it's lighting up right here.
Where is there snake?
I know, I'm kind of scared of snakes.
I don't think there are snakes. Usually they'll see us coming.
Okay, so let's go in here.
The ghost meter, it doesn't say there's anything really over here.
Guys, it's locked. It was opened earlier, but like it's
Did you
locked.
lock it? We have the.
Ew, there's so many moths.
Ew, ew, yeah, there's all these moths. Okay, what areas have we not explored yet?
So dark.
See anything.
Ew,
So we're gonna go-
it's a cockroach.
Oh my. Can you see that?
Ew.
Don't get too close. What if it flies?
Ew, guys.
Ew.
That's why we're not out here on our bare feet. Like,
That's why we don't explore.
I
It's a
keep
motorcycle.
hearing okay.
It's a motorcycle. Whoa, 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 guys!
What?
It's saying to go this way. It's max. It's literally at max.
Wait, okay, go left or right?
Right.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, I don't know where this is taking us.
It's literally off the charts.
Guys, I don't think we've been down this way.
So this is where the tennis courts are.
oh yeah, this is where we tried to skate.
So there's a lot of like activity going on over here.
Apparently.
Just 70%.
70%. Oh, I heard a bird.
What?
I just heard a bird. Wait, 90%? Why did I keep saying something? Ah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a rabbit. Ah.
That literally, I almost just threw up.
Ah.
My heart was pounding. There must be like a bunch of bunnies over here.
Is that 100%? There must be something here, like something really, really strong.
Oh, there's so many bugs.
Look at the corner. How many bugs are crawling there?
Wait, guys.
Ew, ew, oh,
Ew, ew, wait, what's this?
oh. Oh, there's like bugs all over it.
Ew, ew. What the heck?
Wait,
What?
did you get a shot of that?
There's like spiders crawling
Ew.
on it.
Did you see this? Can you see this, Tyler?
What is it?
Look how
Somebody grab it. This wasn't here before. Oh, okay, well, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Wait.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was so scary. Wait, where'd the boys go?
Guys, where'd they go? They were right behind us.
Okay, so small problem. We lost the boys.
I don't know what we're supposed to do. Should we go back or like?
I know, I have no idea. It's so scary out here,
It's literally
guys.
so dark. I can't see anything with like my flashlight in my eyes. It's
I know,
so
I
hard
can't
to
like
see.
even like, okay, there we go. You can like see us now.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is like actually terrifying.
Okay, guys, so I lost the rest of the group. I don't know where they are, and I'm a little scared because I keep like feel like I'm like hearing things, but I know I'm not, and that's crazy. But I like. It sounded like there was something. I really don't like this. I just have to go find them because I hate not being with the group. Like, it's so terrifying. I heard Eden's cough.
So let's go see if we can find the boys because I have no idea where they are right now. So hopefully we can get like back together
I
because
feel
it's
like
so
we're just
scary out
separated.
here.
We probably just separated. Okay.
Okay, wait, let's go to the right.
Yeah.
Oh, Tyler?
Wait, yeah, right here.
Hey, Gabrielle, Eden.
Wait. Over here.
There's the boys.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Alright, let's stay together.
I feel like we should just go back inside. Guys, are you kidding me? The door's
Lock the
locked.
door.
Why is it locked?
I don't know. It's literally like look. I'm like hitting down on the door.
Wait, hurry.
Well, we didn't come in this way, so let's just.
Okay, let's try the other one.
Okay.
Okay, oh my gosh.
They're open.
Oh my gosh. Okay, can we agree never to go ghost hunting again?
Yeah,
Yes,
that
I
was
agree.
terrifying. Some
my
things are
gosh.
better just left unknown.
Yes.
Wait, where was that note we found at the tennis court?
Oh wait.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
the
the
paper.
It's like a list of some sort.
The lock of hair, a left sock. What is this?
Wait. What are
It
they?
fits.
Wait.
It's
It's
the
literally the ingredient list.
it's the ingredients for the puppeteer incantation.
What does it say?
It says lock of hair, left sock, saliva, photograph, something you love.
But nobody's
Wait.
had any of those things lost.
Wait, yeah, because all the strings are missing, which means one of us had all these things taken from us and we didn't even realize it.
Wait, let me see that list one more time. Lock of hair. Didn't you mention that your hairbrush had gone missing?
My brush is gone. Like I had my brush here like literally 5 minutes ago and it's not there. Oh yeah.
Wait, like when we first got, wasn't it the day the first string went missing too?
I think so. Wait, left sock. No, I remember you said something about you can't find your sock.
I'm like really cold because when I was hiding at the toilet, I think my left sock came off.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Wait, oh my gosh.
Saliva. How could you have... The lollipop. Remember the lollipop you weren't supposed to eat?
Put it.
Okay.
Well, let's just go.
Okay.
Let's eat.
And then it went missing afterwards.
No.
I thought the house just took it because it wasn't white, but
A photograph. Wait, we took all those pictures. Wait.
we literally just hung up all the pictures on the fridge.
Hold on. Wait, weren't there?
Yeah.
Wait.
It was all four of us because there's Cole, Tyler, me, and then Eden's was hanging
Eden's
up.
picture's missing.
So my photograph is gone.
What was the last thing?
Something they love.
Wait, in the pool earlier, my necklace. My necklace! No! Oh, guys, I love that necklace. Guys, so this can only mean one thing. I'm actually being controlled by the puppet master.